Okay, I'm going to say something that might annoy you a bit, but I genuinely wish that someone had told me this earlier, so I'm going to tell you. A lot of people don't actually fail on YouTube at all. They just quit right before it was about to work. And I know that sounds like one of those overused motivational lines that you hear all the time, but stay with me for a second, because when you're in it, it doesn't feel like that at all. It feels the opposite. It feels like you're putting videos out, trying your best, actually improving, or at least you think you are, but nothing's happening. Not slow growth, I mean literally nothing. 20 views, maybe 40 if you're lucky. And after a while, you're just sitting there thinking, all right, what am I actually doing here? And this is where it gets dangerous, because it doesn't feel like I need to tweak something. It feels like this just isn't working. There's something wrong with me. So what do? You don't always quit straight away. It's more subtle than that. You post a bit less, you hesitate more before uploading, you overthink everything, you lose that energy that you had when you started, and eventually you just kind of drift away from it. But here's the part that's hard to see when you're in that mindset. YouTube doesn't work in a straight line. It's not effort equals results. It's more like effort, confusion, nothing, tiny signal, and then something finally starts to happen after. And most people quit in that middle bit, that weird stretch where it just feels pointless. I've been there properly. I've done like 10, 15 channels now, and this happens every single time. Uploading something I thought was genuinely better than my last video, thinking, this has to be the one, surely, and then checking the next day, flat again. And after a few of those in a row, it starts getting in your head. You start questioning everything, your ideas, the way that you speak, whether you've picked the wrong niche, whether you should even be doing a YouTube channel at all. What you don't realize at the time is that something is happening. You just can't see it yet. Because in the background, two things are slowly building. Firstly, you are getting better, even if it's only small improvements. You're learning what people click on, what actually keeps attention, what feels natural on camera, and what just feels forced to you. That stuff does compound. It really does. You have to trust me. And secondly, the algorithm is learning you. Very slowly, perhaps, who your content is for, who might actually enjoy it, what your videos are about. But it doesn't figure that out in 3 uploads or even 10. Sometimes it can take 50. It's messy. It tests things. It backs off, it tries again. From your side, it just looks like nothing, or it looks like random movements in your charts. And that is the frustrating bit, because it doesn't feel like your effort is being rewarded by any meaningful progress. But this is right up until it doesn't. You can go for weeks, sometimes even longer, where everything feels flat. And then you'll have one video, not even viral, but it just does a bit better, a bit more reach, a bit more watch time, a few more comments perhaps. Maybe YouTube gives you like 5,000 impressions instead of 100, and you go, oh, this video had a little bit of a pop out in the algorithm. And that's the moment that people underestimate, because it's your first real signal that YouTube is finally starting to push your content. It's not random anymore after that point. You've got something to work with. You can actually look at it and think, okay, why did this one land more than the other ones? And then you can build on it from there. This is what people call iteration, essentially. You find something that works and you make more of it to see if it continues to work. And then you find what works with those, and do you see what I'm doing here? But obviously there is a catch to this. You have to get to that point first. And most people just don't do it. Not because they can't do it. Pretty much anyone can make a YouTube channel. It's because they stop before they actually get to the bit where they start to get pushed. And I get why. Honestly, from your perspective, it feels like you gave it a fair shot. Like 20 videos seems like a lot to most people. You put time into them, tried to improve, and you didn't get anything out of it. And it makes a lot of sense to just go, maybe this just isn't for me. But the annoying truth is that's still way too early. Way earlier than it feels. Most channels don't click in the first 10 videos or 20. Realistically, I think the average is probably 50 or 100 videos before you start getting meaningful engagement and momentum. And I know that's not what you want to hear, and it's not exciting at all. But it is real advice, because I've done this 10 or 15 times now. It's not that it isn't working, it's just that it hasn't worked yet. The thing that changed it for me was pretty simple. I just stopped expecting every video to do something, and I just focused on one question. Is this video better than the last one? And that's it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be amazing, just slightly better each time. And then you release it and you go, okay, on to the next video, and you keep building your portfolio in your niche, and things will start to happen, I promise you. If you keep doing that, something will eventually start to connect. YouTube will start recommending to the correct people. When it does, everything will feel different to you. You understand your audience a bit more, your ideas will get clearer, your videos will get tighter, hooks better, you know the drill. And it stops feeling like you're just throwing things into the void and hoping for the best. But none of that happens if you stop early. And that is the trade-off for YouTube. It filters out all the people who aren't committed. If you quit, you guarantee that it will never work. But if you keep going, you at least give yourself a chance to hit that moment where it actually starts to click. And that moment is real. It's not luck in the way people think. It's actually built from all the videos that didn't work, all the small improvements, all the reps you didn't think mattered at the time. People don't fail because they're not capable. They just don't stay in the game long enough, and that is it. So if you're in that phase right now where it feels slow, a bit frustrating, like you're putting effort in and getting nothing back, you're not broken, you're just too early. And yeah, I know it's not exciting to hear that, but it should be reassuring at least, because it means you're not as far off as you might think. So if you take anything from this, make it this. Don't let a slow start convince you it's not working. Because a lot of the time, that slow, quiet, frustrating phase is exactly what happens right before something finally starts to move. And if you can just stay in it a bit longer, not forever, but just a bit longer, you give yourself a real shot at being a YouTuber. And honestly, that's all you need. Watch the video on screen, and I'll catch you in the next one.